nutshell what Python decorators do and how to add them in your code. Basically, Python decorators is a concept in Python that allows you to add to your original code without changing the underlying or the original code. It just decorates the original code with something else. Just for example, let's say you've bought a nice car, you want to add seat covers, you want to add spotlights, you want to do an extra paint job. It actually adds something to the original code, but doesn't really change the operation or the behavior of the original code. So best way to understand decorators is to go into my IDE and let's get to it. Let's say I have a basic function here, my func. So what my func does is it prints, I want it to print original car, original car. Then I have to call my func here. All right. So basically, this is my basic function. I'm calling, I'm printing original car with this function, and if I run it, it will print original car. You can see right here, print original car. But now I want to decorate this function. So the best way to decorate this function is to add a decorator. So add my decorator. I want to call it add extra. I'm instructing Python to say, hey, I'm going to decorate this function with this add extra. But I haven't really done anything to this add extra to tell Python exactly what to do. So what I do is I'll go up here and define what add extra does. Add extra. Then add extra is going to call in my function, which is in my case here, func represents this code. Then within this code, I also want to add another function called wrapper. So what I want wrapper to do is to print add seat covers, then call the original function, which is my func in this case, and also add again, let's say print seat covers, add maybe spotlights here, spotlights, there you go. Then I don't want to print the wrapper, so I want to return it so that it won't show the results. It only show results when my func is called. And now make it clean. And now if I run this, the original car will be wrapped by two text field text, which is add seat cover and add spotlights. So when I print it right here, I've added seat covers and added spotlights. So this is very powerful when we have, let's say, 500 lines of code, 500 lines of code, and you want to add these decorators on those lines of code. All you need to do is to create the function, then call that decorator on every function that you want to decorate. I think this will explain to you in a nutshell what decorators do in Python. Thank you. Bye-bye.